Hello, this video is the part C for question 4.2.85. If you haven't done already, you can go and watch part A and part B before you watch part C. Now, in this video, we're going to look at part C of this question. You're required to find f a plus h minus f a when fx is given to be 7x plus x squared. Now let's take a look how it's done. Now this clearly is, you can assume it's a two-part question. So you need to find what's the value of f a plus h, and you have to find what's the value of fa, and in the end you want to find what's the difference of those two functions. Now, as I told you earlier in the last two videos, you can write this function fx as an empty function, not empty in terms that it has no values, but in place of x, just don't write anything and just put brackets so that you have an empty shell. So your f of something is 7 times that something plus something squared. Now in this case, if we are wanting to find f a plus h, in each of the empty spaces you're gonna substitute a plus h. So it's just the value of x is a plus h. Now what do we get in the next part? We can distribute the 7 and we can use the formula a plus b whole squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared to find the value of a and a plus h whole squared. Here a is little a and your b is h. So with all that information, let's go back to the question. What do we have? After distribution 7, you get 7a plus 7h, and then we use the formula to get a squared plus 2 times a times h plus h squared. So that gives me 7a plus 7h plus a squared plus 2ah plus h squared. Now it's a bit, there are no like terms in this expression, so we'll leave this as such. And then we're gonna go back and look at what is the value of fa. Fa, again, according to the question, will be 7 times that value of x and that value of x squared, so which is a in this case. Fa is 7a plus a squared, so it's nothing but 7a plus a squared. Now in our question, we are required to find fa plus h minus fa. That means substitute the value of fa plus h and then subtract fa. Now I'm just rewriting it again, and then distribute the imaginary minus 1 here, and that will give us minus 7a minus, oh, I made a mistake here. Instead of h, it was supposed to be an a, minus a squared. Sorry about that. And now let's cancel out the terms that can be cancelled out. So what are we left with? We are left with 7h plus 2ah plus h squared. So this will be the answer to part C. Fa plus h minus fa equals 7h plus 2ah plus h squared.